Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to reset keyboard settings to default in Windows. So there is no direct option in order to reset the keyboard settings. For that, what you have to do is follow these simple steps. So what you have to do is first of all open the settings, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Hover over the gear icon, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. Find the option for time and language and click on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface of time and language. You'll be able to find several options at left. You'll be able to find the options like date and time, reason, language, speech. What you have to do is click on the option language. Now you'll be led to the language interface. You can see over here there is no option for resetting the keyboard. So in order to reset the keyboard, what you have to do is simply add a language. If you add a language and restart the computer, your keyboard settings will be reset. So for that, what you have to do is click on this option, add a language. Now go ahead and add any language of your choice. For example, I'm just going to add this language. Now click on the option next. Click on the option install. Now wait for a while. It might take a while to be downloaded. Now after the new language has been installed, what you have to do is simply click on this icon for up that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this language will be set as default. Now what you have to do is restart your device. For that, click on the start icon. Now simply click on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Click on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now after your device has been restarted, you can simply move this language down again. So simply click on this language. Now click on the down option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can again go ahead and restart your device. After you restart your device, your keyboard settings will be reset. So that is how you reset keyboard settings to default in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.